Hi everyone, so welcome to today's video. We are unboxing my second Sephora Play box, or Play by Sephora. I always confuse that and I always say it in reverse. But this month is all about love because of course it's Valentine's month, it's love month, and we celebrated Love Day not that long ago. And I just got this several days ago actually, and I have been itching to look into this, and I have been fighting the urge to see what exactly is in this box. I shared with you guys on Snapchat that it came in the mail, and we're digging into this because I'm excited. And of course, as with every box, you get 50 Beauty Insider points, and I still have to go redeem mine from last month. But you get a little card, and it's really cool. And I think the inside, oh yeah, I didn't realize on the inside, it actually shows you, I'm assuming, could it be what you end up getting in the box? I don't know. I thought it was all going to be like lip stuff, but maybe not. So let's dig in because you hear that crinkling? I hear it and I feel some full-size goodness, maybe? So the bag is actually really cute. It says Feel the Love. And it's got a little heart, pink. I love pink. So this is actually very cool, and I think I'm going to start saving my little box, little pouches. So the crinkly thing is Atelier Cologne. That's how you pronounce it. It comes all wrapped up, and it looks like it's like a little postcard. It says, from Paris. It's made in France. Oh, hey. So that's the crinkling noise. Is this annoying anybody? Okay. Let's see. So, Clementine, California. So if it's going to smell like clementine, I'm all for it because I love oranges. Look how pretty that is. So I think that postcard is really, really cute. And I've never tried anything from this brand. So it looks, the bottle actually looks really pretty. It almost looks like a little postage stamp. It's so cute. Okay. Let's see. So it's one of those like sample ones. So I don't know. I mean, I think it's enough to really... Oh, it's not one of those spray ones. Okay, good. Because those sometimes they kind of leak all over the place. This one you have to actually like take the lid off. Whoa. Oh, that smells yum. Oh my goodness. Yep. I use the Chanel fragrance, but this is yummy, you guys. It smells awesome. Let's try to put this back in here. Oh yeah. You can get the hint of clementine, but it's very fresh, very crisp. It's not like an overpowering orange scent. It's very delicate, very feminine, very classy and chic about it. Oh yeah. I'm loving that. Even though it's like a perfume sample, I'm digging that. It's probably like super expensive. Do they even tell you? Where's that little flyer thing at? I wonder if these actually tell you on the inside how much it is. Does it have a price point? No, it does not. But that smells awesome. If you like fruity but fresh, it smells like you just opened up a cutie or a clementine. Oh, yes. Give it to me, Paris. Okay, so the next thing is the Clinique Pretty Easy Liquid Liner. This is my favorite. Sephora just knows. And this is the black one, and I use this liquid liner all the time. I think it's really easy. Obviously, it's called Pretty Easy for a reason, and it is a full-size liquid liner pen. Good, because I actually was going to be needing a new one very soon. So far, that right there, I think it's like $18, $20. So right there, that pays for the entire box itself. The next thing is the Peter Thomas Roth. What is this? The Firmex Peeling Gel. So visibly roll, lift, and sweep away dead skin cells. When massaged onto the skin, multi-action enzymes and cellulose help uncover a smooth, fresh, new complexion. All right, well, that sounds intriguing. I have tried Peter Thomas Roth. I've used their products back in the day. And it's a 15 ml size, but I think it's actually pretty generous for you to try, see if you like, whether or not you're going to purchase. Come on, camera. Focus here. Hello. There it is. And I'm going to try this. I really, I tried something from Basha a long time ago. that you put it on and it starts to kind of roll away and kind of pill almost. And that's supposedly the dead skin. My husband is not convinced. He thinks that that's just a gimmick. It's made to do that so that you feel like it's doing something. But I don't know. Maybe. Oh, I just got some product squirted into my eye. Okay, so it doesn't, ooh, so when you massage it in, it does start to kind of, camera's not going to pick it up because it's really bright in here. The sun is now shining. Oh, maybe. Do you see that? Do you see that? That's the grossness from the back of my hand. And you know what? I believe it because my hands are just horrid right now. So, man, I'm wondering if I'm going to get any peeling, like peeling stuff happening, because I use my Clarisonic once or twice a week. Oh my gosh, look at that. Gross. Ugh. Gross, gross, gross. Okay, so what else is in this bag? All right, so the next thing is a lip product. It's the Gel Gloss Ultra Brilliant Ultra Lip Shine. Ultra Shine Lip Gel, if I can read. It's the Sephora brand, and is there a color on here? The Perfect Nude. Oh, okay. Well, I'm glad it's a nude shade because that definitely is something I'm interested in wearing and would wear every day, versus something super bright and pink or even red if they were gonna do like a classic Valentine's type of color scheme. I don't know. Did any of you guys, I can't peel this. Did any of you guys get any red lip products in your bag? Or in your box, your Sephora play. I can't get this open. Alright, so I finally was able to get that packaging off of there, but this is in the Perfect Nude number 04. Oh, the applicator is actually kind of cool. Let me show you. It is like an hourglass shape almost, but then it looks like a paddle on the very end. Very cool. Oh yeah, this is going to be pretty. That's the nude shade. There it is. Come on, camera, don't look at my face. It's focusing on my face. That's the nude color. So I'm going to go ahead and put this on. I do have something else on. Oh, yeah. These are nice, you guys. And that paddle fits nicely around your lip. Very cool. Comfortable. Got some pigment, although I did have something else underneath, but it's not sticky. A little bit on the thick side, but I think it's important to have that when it's a pigmented product versus something that's more sheer and kind of like milky and clear. The next product is a Makeup Forever product. This is the Artist Rouge Matte Pigmented Lipstick. So this is in the shade M500. I wonder if it's gonna be a pink or a red. So I've tried Makeup Forever lipsticks before, and they're actually really good. Oh, it is actually a very dark, kind of vampy color. Not anything that I was expecting, so nice surprise. But although it looks super dark, it's a very deep kind of cranberry, kind of ox blood type of color. This is a pretty shade for fall and for winter. I think this is gonna be really pretty with some like bold liquid liner, some lashes, dewy skin, a light neutral blush, and this on the lips. I think that would be a beautiful look. And if you want to see that, let me know, and I can do that tutorial for you guys. But that is actually really pretty, very creamy, very pigmented. And the last thing in my little pouch for this month is the Ginger and Turmeric Vitamin C Jelly Mask, safe for sensitive skin from Hello Fab. Or not, it's Hello Fab, but it's First Aid Beauty. And this is actually a good size, you guys. Look at that. Good size. And it's allergy tested, free of artificial fragrance. So if I'm looking at the ingredients, turmeric is really high up there. Then you have ginger, beetroot, licorice root, feverfew. What else? Green tea, ginger root oil, thyme leaf oil, clove bud oil. So lots of oils, and lime oil, lemon oil. So essential oils I'm gathering here. It says apply generously to clean skin, avoiding the eye area. Leave on for 10 minutes. Rinse with water or remove with a soft washcloth. Use 3 times per week or as needed. So let's smell this. It smells, you can pick up the ginger for sure. Ooh, yeah. Okay. It smells kind of gingery, kind of earthy, and I'm liking that. So I don't know if this is supposed to be like a brightening thing, if it's a hydrating thing, because I don't see anywhere on here it just says ginger and turmeric vitamin C jelly mask, safe for sensitive skin. So I'm not really sure if this is supposed to be a hydrating thing. Let me read. Hello, if you read, it tells you in here. It's a revitalizing jelly mask that's packed with ginger and turmeric to comfort and brighten stressed out skin. Great. Superfood for thought, it says. First Aid Beauty. Yeah. So it's supposed to make your skin look brighter, more hydrated, more supple. That actually smells really good. So I'm going to definitely try that and report back to you guys on how I'm liking that. But you know what? Honestly, I have to say that this month's Sephora Play by Sephora, I was going to say Sephora Play, Play by Sephora is actually really good. I am super pumped about it. I get a full-size liquid liner of something that I already love and use, recommend, and actually will be needing another one. Good size products for lips. I love travel sizes because I can keep them in my purse. It gives me a chance to try without committing to full size, which I'm all about that. I love these sizes because it's a generous size. You can try and then buy if you like. If not, you can pass on it. $10. And that fragrance, although this could be messy and I won't travel with this anywhere or put it in my purse, this smells fabulous. Like, oh, I can't stop smelling my wrists. I just simply cannot. It is incredible. And it's the, what is it called? Clementine, California. Looks like that. So if you are interested in something fresh, fruity, light for spring and summer, look no further. I'm curious to know if any of you got this month's box. Let me know what you got. Did you get the same fragrance? What fragrance did you get? Because I'm curious. That brand has definitely piqued my curiosity. Share with me in the comments section what you got. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for spending some of your time with me today. Have a fabulous weekend, and I will talk to y'all very soon. Bye-bye.